Alright. How you doing? You're in my vlog now.
Yay.
And the AA have arrived. This signifies the departure and the beginning of our tour. A bacon roll will be fantastic. So this is the car that we will be taking to the Gliders Club. Oh. Apparently it's near, we're turning right here. And straight on here. It's the customary tunnel run. Aha, I think we found the rest of them. That does sound nice. Them again. Oh, bloody Volvo.
That's 40.
Woo! Do they need help?
You okay?
We think so, thank you. We got all the gear. We're hoping we'll be back on the road in a minute.
They just broke down. Poor people. It does smell a bit. We must be near now if there's a glider. We have arrived at the gliding club. Well, we haven't. This looks more like where we're supposed to be.
Tell you what, through polarised lenses, that paint looks stunning.
That angle.
That's crazy, isn't it? Good luck.
Don't know how far he's going to get. So it's a right here.
Definitely this way. East Green.
Quite a while to go.
It's such a noise.
We lost.
Yeah.
So we turn right at there and then we follow this. Yes, it's a right here.
Do you need anything?
You'll be alright.
Yeah, okay. See you later. Yeah. That was cheeky. When she ditched. We're number 171 and we have to choose which car we want to take home with us.
Hopefully we win it.
Hopefully we'll win. Can we vote for ourselves?
Yeah.
It's good being the centre of attention. Barn find rapier for sale.
Is that readable?
With a BMW badge. That is a very, very large dog. So that's the Haslemere Classic Car Show 2015.